Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert things onto Google Slides. So anything you would want to insert is in this column right here, this little drop down list right under insert. So first things, images. You can get it off your computer. You can get it You can get it off your computer. You can get it off the web. Search your Drive, your Google Photos, URL. Right now I'll search the web and it will give you a little Google tab to say I want a beach. Boom, picture of a beach. Click on it and right down here it will say insert. I'll click that and it will show up right in the middle. Now you can, if you go to any of these little blue boxes, you can scale it down. So this one makes it go, like squish it down, pull it up. Same from up here, or from down there. Then you can move it, squish it that way. Then you can reset your image if you click this. I'm going to do that. There, it's probably fun. The main one you want to use is this one of the corners, because that will just make it smaller without messing up, so it doesn't look like that. You don't want it to be super squished. So usually you'll use one of these corners, and then if you hover over it, you can see that the mouse is this arrow trackpad. If you hold down the left click, you can move it around. You'll see the little area where it will say I want it in this top corner. It's there. So that's the pictures. Then for text box, say you want your title, and then you want your name, and then you want the date you did it. You can scale in a text box, and then let you hold it and drag, and when you unclick, it will do it and say date 10/22/19. Boom, you can do that. And then everything you can do, if you click on it and select it and push backspace, it will be gone. And then for insert, you can do the videos, and you can search YouTube. You can find a URL from YouTube, and then you can search through your Google Drive. So for YouTube, say I want, I don't know, iPhone unboxing. Click that, it will search for it. You want that one, click it, click select, and it will. Now this is for embedding videos into your thing. And then if you can move it, there. Move it, and it just shows the thumbnail, backspace to delete. Or if you don't want it to have just on your slide, if you get a text box, put it in here. I'm gonna iPhone, click on search first, that'd be helpful. iPhone unboxing. Here's, go away. Here's this. Click it. Stop. Go up to this URL. Click it once, it should highlight the entire thing, and on your keyboard, it should say CTRL, that's control, hold it down, and then click C. Nothing will seem to happen, but really it's copied it. If you hold down control again and in your slide and push V, that's the link so that you can send them to the website. But most people would like to embed it. That's what putting the video in the slide is called. Then for inserting, again, we want to add shapes. We want to have an arrow pointing at it. So once again, it's like a text box, or a picture. You can scale it around. I want it to point at my title. Boom, it's pointed. Click on it, and there's border, so I want it to be red. Then there's the border color. Oh, sorry, that's the fill color. This is the border color. I want it to be orange. Now I'll make the outside of it orange. And so, yeah. You can make those. There are a bunch of different shapes, actually. There's the shapes option, which has a bunch of different shapes. Smiley faces, squares, circles, triangles. And you have the arrows, all of these fancy arrows. Callouts is like a text box, like in a comic book, or a banner. Some of these numbers. And then equation for anything you're doing math related. Plus, minus, subtract, or plus, minus, times, divide, all that stuff. So then, go down, here's chart. Now, it'll insert things for you that you can manipulate from this. But the easiest way to insert is to from Sheets. Now you want to add a Google Sheets. From there, you can go to Google Sheets. Boom, right there. Go to Sheets. Now this is like a spreadsheet that you can mess around with. So say A, B, C, D, E. Whoops, E. Then you can use the arrow keys to move around. So I want to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, whoops. 4, 5. Then, once you do that, you'll go to, where is it? Insert, and you'll go to chart. And based on that data, it will find, you can make it, say I wanted a bar graph. Whoa, sideways bar graph. And you can pick all these options. These are just recommended. Bar graph, yeah, stuff like that. Then you can click that control button I told you about before, C. And then come over here, click on it, make sure you're in it, Control V. And it will ask you about this. You want to link to spreadsheet, and it will post it right here. Then after that, so next you want some lines. This can be anything. So you have the normal lines. It's like, whoa, a line. Maybe you want to separate your text. I don't know. Then line again. So there's arrows, which I think the other arrows are a bit broader. Curved connectors, curved, polyline. Usually you want to use line or scribble. Scribble makes you able to draw on the screen. Backspace if you want, and then I can just, oh, whoops. I'm gonna make a really bad smiley face. Woohoo. And yeah, so you might want to use some arrows, and you can whoop, and then you can add tips to your arrows. But so the main thing with this stuff is line color. I want it to be orange, or maybe I just want it to be red. You can make the lines different colors. It just depends on what you want. So, oops. Yeah, so you have, that's elbow curve, delete it. Then we have curve connector, little squiggle. Then you just have curve. Put different points by clicking. Done. And then you have these straight lines. You can make your own shapes. So that is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all later. Bye.